What's up guys? Today I'm here with Viraj and he's going to be showing us how to build a PC. Viraj, what's exactly in a PC?
Yeah, it's a great question. So in a PC, you have the processing unit, your storage, your memory, and then you also have the power supply in case.
So let's get started. What are we starting off with, Viraj?
So first, we're gonna start off with the CPU. You wanna take it out of the box.
I'm gonna break it.
If you drop it, this whole piece is gonna break.
Bro, yo, stop.
So this is a Ryzen 5 3600. It works, parts are pretty compatible, okay? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna turn the CPU around and look for a little arrow. On the motherboard, there is an arrow right here.
I'm actually gonna break it. That didn't sound good. Yeah, no, I'll let the expert do it.
It's random access memory. As you guys can see. It's basically when you have to run games, like if you ever play Minecraft and you unlock like a new chunk.
You're not playing Minecraft in the big 26, bro.
Alright. If you ever play any game and you need to unlock like new territory in any game, or if you have like a save in a game, that memory needs to be stored. This is basically your storage except like a lot faster. Just stick it in.
Okay.
Just get it in there. Come on. Push. Just keep on pushing until you hear a click.
I'm going to break it. Okay.
Yep. There we go. Cool. So next we have the storage or SSD. I'm gonna hold this in this little place called Hyper M.2. Basically the storage, you've seen this in basically every single computer. This is 1 terabyte of Gen 3 storage, so it's not the fastest on the market. I got this for only like $50.
Oh, that's on me. Wait, why is it like up?
You broke it. You actually broke it. Oh my God. I'm kidding.
Okay.
We need something to cool the CPU. Okay, so even though on the PC this is gonna be face up, like vertically, AMD makes it so the CPU matches the way of the CPU cooler, so it's gonna look like this.
Wait, where's the thermal paste?
Pre-applied, it's this very, very thin layer. It's gonna match all the screws up. Oh, that does not fit.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are cooked, as you can see.
Yo, I might be him. Wait, should I drop it?
Okay, that's good, calm.
Okay, calm.
Now you're gonna screw the opposite side in, so the thermal paste gets spread on evenly. Just gonna push it in, okay?
Okay. Is that it?
Yeah, you're literally just gonna push it in.
Oh, wait, I got it.
Yes. And it with the I/O shield in. I'll tell you when it's good to go. Oh my God, you did that like 8 times faster than me. That's perfect, okay. Oh, that's because we're not putting it into the hole.
Then why don't you say that?
I didn't know.
No, but like it's not gonna even go through the motherboard.
I just got Shree's lunch on Monday. That's documented on video. Cool.
It's foreign chicken.
Cool, actually.
Yeah.
Ooh.
No, I'm joking.
Okay, I hate you. Okay, so next we have the power supply. It's the thing that powers the system. Yeah.
Cool, Viraj.
Thanks, Shree.
Yeah.
You know who else is pretty cool?
Who?
Yeah. Now you're just gonna.
This doesn't even fit.
Fan side down. He just broke.
This looks like a mess.
Yeah, so now we have to manage all these cables, which is
Yo!
why it takes so long.
No.
I'm fully serious. So
No way.
first, let's screw this in. Okay, so next, as you guys can see, there's a bunch of like wires here. So we're just gonna cable manage all of that, plug the wires in, and then we're basically done with our PC.
All right, guys, we just finished up with the cable management in the back. So we're at the home stretch and we're going to plug everything.
We just have to plug the GPU and CPU pins in. So right now, we have this big motherboard 20-pin connector, I believe it is, 24-pin maybe. All this does, you just put this right in here. Okay.
Oh, that was crispy.
Done. This I don't even know what this does. It's so useless. I think it's the USB connector. Basically powers all the USBs, I'm pretty sure.
All right, now we'll be placing the GPU inside the PC. All right, guys, so after all the hard work me and Viraj put in, it's the moment of truth. So let's start it up.
Plug it in.
All right.
All right, see?
Yo!
Nice. All right.
So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure to check out Viraj's Java.gg.
Java is basically an online marketplace where people like me sell their own PCs.
And that's about it. This PC will be listed there, so if you guys are interested, make sure to check that out. So other than that, that's it.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.